Good afternoon all. We are at Blue Line in South Norwood today, working on this lovely clean Volvo V40. On arrival I was informed that this has had a additive replacement by another garage, but they haven't reset the computer. Further diagnosis showed that this sensor had failed. The DPF pressure sensor was not reading correctly, so that's being replaced. And the additive system, although it had been replaced, hadn't actually been correctly resolved on the ECU on the computer. Therefore, it wasn't working properly anyway. So I've reset the additive system. I'm now doing a DPF clean to get the pressures down, and we'll get this vehicle back on the road. So this service has cost this garage £299.99, includes everything, and takes about 2 hours. We're mobile and come to you. So if you need us, our telephone number is 01293 769495, or you can get us by messenger or send us an email, or visit the website carbon-cleaning.co.uk. Good afternoon everyone, back again with this Volvo V40. I just started the second stage of the DPF clean, and was so impressed with what's coming out the back of this one that I thought I'd do another quick video to show you. Admittedly this is high mileage, but that's some pretty dirty bad stuff coming out of that one there. Pretty impressive, eh? Have a great day.